Kobus Netling. I'm an author and I specialize in creative thinking and creative behavior. Thank you very much for joining us and being part of this program for the next 3 months. You made a very, very important decision. And during the next 3 months, it'll be up to you to stay with this decision. You know, it's your focus, it's your attitude, it's your motivation that will keep you there for the next 3 months or so. The first 29 days are very, very critical. Why I say this is that it takes the brain 29 days, in a sense, to reprogram itself. So if you make a new decision about yourself, if you set a goal that you'd like to achieve, it takes the brain 29 days to anchor that new decision, a new habit, a new way of life. And it's hard work, the first 29 days. But once you go beyond that, everything becomes much, much easier. What we've done, we've divided the 29 days, the first 29 days, into 4 categories. First category we call motivation, or staying motivated. You see, you've made a decision, and a very, very important decision. And those first 7 days, you know, you need to stay with it. You need to feel the energy. You need to feel the motivation. So it's a very, very critical week to anchor your motivation. The second week we call the attitude week, where your new motivation moves into attitude, when you start influencing other people in a certain way. So it's attitude, it's a way of life that you're starting to establish during your second week. The third week is a vital week. It's called perseverance. And you know that perseverance is the quality of all successful people. You cannot be successful, no matter what it is. Cannot be successful if you cannot persevere. This is a vital week where you go through this perseverance stage and anchor that at the end of the third week. The fourth week is living your goals week. That's when the doing part moves into a being part. And that's vital, because when these things become part of your being, it's who you really are. Remember when you started to learn to drive a car, those first few weeks, you looked at your hands, you looked at your feet, it was a doing kind of thing. But there came a time when you were driving that car and you don't even know that you're driving it. That is the being stage. You moved over, it's part of who you are. And that's that fourth week. Your new goals, the new images you've set for yourself becomes part of your being. A very, very vital fourth week. The 29th day is a day of celebration and a day of gratitude. You rejoice and you say thank you. It's an important, critical milestone, because then you move on to the second and the third month. And you've anchored yourself, and nothing is going to stop you. The 2 steps I'd like to recommend before you start your program. First of all, you've got to write down your goal. Write it down clear, no bit of a schlep, but write it down. And once you've written this goal down, then you need to see this goal, because you see, it needs to form an image in your brain. You must see clearly that end image in 3 months' time. You must clearly see it. The brain, once you've anchored the image, that's when you become inspired and you stay focused. This is very, very important, because you see, the brain cannot distinguish between the image that you've created and reality. For the brain, that image is reality. So once you've created it, you're already there. It's 3 months from now, but you're already at that goal. You've already achieved it. And that's the way this objective, this goal must work for you. Once you've written it down and once you've seen this goal, you need to do this every day. You need to do this for 29 days. Write it down, see it. And then secondly, part of this first step is to put up this goal on the wall, in the kitchen, in your bathroom, the places that you frequent every day. You need to see it every day. You've got to look at this goal. It's got to be in your face for 29 days. And then the second step, you've got to have an achievement board, an achievement book, an achievement journal. Every day, you've got to write down your little achievements, because they become major achievements. Remember what Aristotle said. He said, the things that we think and do every day, we become those things. And that's why we need to think it and we need to do it every day. Good luck.